Kyle, you asked about why your picture was different than everyone else and had a link, and I think it's probably because I did it first. And you go to your article, because they are all articles linked on top of each other. You'll see what I did on yours is I was new to Joomla 3, and under images and links there was a place to put an intro image, and along with that I think I could link to your article, and I found that to be I don't know, having that intro image, using the images and links section wasn't always as straightforward, and it's probably just as easy. If you go back to the content and right here before your name, we're going to insert an image, and so under staff, here's your image, and it was done in 2009, so it'd be great to update that. It's good when you do these to already have the dimensions the appropriate size. That way the computer isn't calling up some huge file. Now it'll download it, but if you're, in this case, see, it's only 53. I see, I don't know, maybe this is the one Josh just did. And that's okay. I mean, he changed his dimensions, and 604 and 604 isn't that bad. I might have, okay, I'm just going to change his here. I'm going to rename it because this is basically meaningless. So if we click on his, and you can see if we go up through here, there should be a rename. And he just did this, so let's call it 2015. Looks like I got it. Now this is going to mess up his link, so I'll have to go in and change that as well, but I'm going to change it to 2015. So when he put it out here, if he would have used a meaningful name convention before he linked it up, that would have been nice. And then let's just put Jinx. I guess that's good enough. Say OK. Now it's going to warn me it's going to break the link. So, but I'm going to say yes. So I've got to go back and fix that. And now this one's old, so there really would be no reason not to delete it. And hopefully it's not linked to something else, but I guess we'll find out when we break it. It breaks. Okay. So I got rid of the old one. Okay, so back here to Pastor Kyle. I'm going to I like the dimensions. I'm going to actually just make sure the alignment is to the left. I'm going to add a little margin to it. I want those to be equal values, so that will separate the picture from the text, and I could add a border. I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to click Insert. So now your picture is beside your information. It will not be, if I wanted to link it to something, I click on it and go here to my link. Okay, so let's say we're happy with that. Usually that size, 240 by 240 makes a nice size. So I'm going to save and close. And since I messed up Josh's, I'm going to search here for it. Oh, I have to go back to articles. I want all articles. So, oh, okay, now I get all my articles. Now I think it'll let me do it. Thanks. Search. Here's Josh. You'll see that I broke his link. Oh, he's still there. Well, let's take a look at that. Well, it still has this alternate text. And if I go to staff, I think it would have messed up eventually. So now I've got and he won't want it that size, 604, so I'm just going to change it to 240, make sure it stays proportional. And I think I'll go ahead and make these on the left. Yeah, that should be good. He actually has a border around his. Update it. And it should be fine. So I hope that answers your question there. I'm going to save and close, and then I'll log out.